Hey everyone, this is Tim from Eurotech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox One to the Xbox app on your phone. First, we need to connect to the same Wi-Fi internet as our Xbox, and we need to enable remote features. So here's my Xbox right now. What I want to do is just go to the home screen, go up to the top, go to Settings. Now under Settings, let's go on down to Devices, Connections, Remote Features. Type this in. Now, if you already have this enabled, uncheck mark it, and then recheck mark it, and it'll take you through this process to set it up. If you don't do this, sometimes it won't find your Xbox if you don't unselect it and then reselect it and set it up again. So if you're noticing it's not working, that's probably the issue. So this will take maybe like 10 to 15 seconds. And at this time, you could be going to the Google Play Store and getting the Xbox app. So it says we're good to go. We can go to next, and then we can close this down. Then also go to power options, and we can just activate sleep mode. And I believe we can turn on our Xbox remotely if we do that with the app. Now go back and go to general and just take a look at your Wi-Fi internet over here on the right. Make sure this is the same one you have connected on your phone. Otherwise, it probably won't detect your Xbox. Otherwise, you might have to type in like a code to find it. So we can go to my phone now. Here it is, my wonderful phone. And I can go to the Google Play Store, open this up. Then just type in search Xbox. Then get this Xbox application right here. It says Xbox, open this up, sign in with your account, your email address, your password. And this got all this stuff on here. Okay, great. Now in the top right of this app, you can see the little remote feature option. But first, let's go down to Wi-Fi and just make sure I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi. You can see right here it says Scump, so I know I'm connected there. All right, now on this Xbox app, let's go to this little option in the top right. Now, if we hold down on the screen and scroll on down, it will refresh this page. And if we have our Xbox turned on and connected to the same account, it should show up on here if we're connected to the same Wi-Fi. Otherwise, we'll have to go to Add Console, go to Set Up New Console, or Add Existing. You can try both those options. This one, it should prompt a code to open up on your screen. Just type in the code. And then we can exit the setup. And then mine already just show up. I didn't have to go to anything. So I can just go to my Xbox One now. And I can select it. And you can see it's in standby mode. It's in sleep mode. And I can just tap this and it should turn it on. So I can see like my Minecraft preview, everything under here. I can uninstall apps and I can download apps, I believe, from here. So these are all my installed games. I can go to the top right. I can rename it or move it. I can use the remote control. And then this little option right here allows me to go to remote play. So we can open this up in a web browser now. Bring us to this page. Just give it like 10 seconds to load. So you can see it's still loading on the top. It's just a white screen for some reason. Just give it some time. And it should bring you to this page where you can, do remote play. Now I got my Xbox One set up on here. I have to go to Add Existing Console. I can launch on console. And I'll have to go over to my Xbox and turn it on and go to remote features, I believe. So that's in the other room right now. So I would have to go over and do that. But I can connect and show you with my Xbox Series X. So all I have to do is select this, and then it will start. So just add your console on there. I don't think I actually had to add it. It was just automatically on there. And here's my Xbox Series X. So same process with your Xbox One. So if you have multiple different Xboxes, you should be able to see them on here. So let me just exit here. Go to exit screen, and then I'm back. So that's how you set this up and connect your Xbox to the app. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.